Hello lovely students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galip's English School. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, like and share. In today's video, I'm going to talk about life in the UK test, chapter 5, a modern thriving society. The major topics which I'm going to discuss in question and answer form, they are literature, leisure activities, British film industry and places of interest. Let's jump into it. Question number 1. In 2003, which novel was voted as country's best loved novel? Harry Potter, The Heart of the Matter, The Lord of the Rings, or Great Expectation? The answer is The Lord of the Rings, that was voted as country's best loved novel. Question number 2. Is this statement true or false? The main Booker Prize for Fiction is awarded annually for the best fiction novel written by an author from the Commonwealth, Ireland, or Zimbabwe. That's true. Question 3. The shamrock is associated with which country of the UK? England, Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland? Shamrock is national flower of Northern Ireland. Question 4. Which two of the following are famous British landmarks? The London Eye, Mount Everest, the Eden Project, Mount Fuji. So you need to identify two correct answers. So the first one is the London Eye and the second one is Eden Project. These two are famous British landmarks. Question 5. Where is the land formation of the Giant's Causeway? England, Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland? Giant's Causeway is in Northern Ireland. Question 6. Which flower feature in a poem by William Wordsworth? Is lily, rose, daffodil, or lotus? William Wordsworth featured daffodils in one of his poems. Question 7. What is the minimum age you have to buy a national lottery ticket? 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, or 18 years? So for national lottery, you must be 16 years old. Question 8. How many national parks are there in England, Wales, and Scotland? 11, 13, 15, or 17? There are 15 national parks in Great Britain. Question 9. How old must you be to drive a car or motorcycle in the UK? 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, or 19 years? So in the UK, you must be 17 years old to drive a car or motorcycle. Question 10. In which English county is the Eden Project? Buckinghamshire, Cornwall, Yorkshire, Nottinghamshire? That's in Cornwall. Question 11. How old do you have to be to buy alcohol in the UK? 16 years old, 18 years, 20 years, or 22 years? So the correct answer is 18 years. Question 12. Which 19th century author created famous characters such as Mr Micawber and Scrooge? Charles Dickens, John Milton, William Wordsworth, or John Keats? So these famous characters were created by Charles Dickens. Question 13. Where would you find Yeoman Warders working? The Buckingham Palace, the London Eye, the Tower of London, or the Eden Project? So the correct answer is the Tower of London. Question 14. Haggis, a dish traditionally made from a stuffed sheep's stomach, is associated with which country of the UK? England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland? It's Scotland. Question 15. Is this statement true or false? Big Ben is the nickname for the great bell of the clock at the Houses of Parliament in London. The clock tower is named Elizabeth Tower in honor of Queen Elizabeth II's Diamond Jubilee in 2012. Is this statement true or false? This statement is true. Question 16. Charlie Chaplin or Sir Charles Chaplin became famous in which type of films? Action, cartoon, romance, or silent? Charlie Chaplin became famous for silent movies. Question 17. Nick Park has won 3 Oscars for animated films featuring which of the following? Harry Potter, James Bond, The Lord of the Rings, Wallace and Gromit. So he has been awarded for Wallace and Gromit. Question 18. What must a dog wear when it is in a public place? A bell for warning, a collar showing the dog's name, a coat to keep it warm, a collar showing the name and address of the owner. So the correct answer is a collar showing the name and address of the owner. Question 19. Is the following statement true or false? Blind people can get 50% discount on their TV license. This statement is true. Question 20. Where are these famous gardens? Kew Gardens, Sissinghurst and Hidcote in the UK. They are in England, Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland. These are the famous gardens in England. Question 21. Which 2 of these film franchises have been produced in Britain? So you need to identify 2 answers. Avatar, Harry Potter, James Bond, Superman. So the correct answer is Harry Potter and James Bond. Question number 22. In which county are Loch Lomond and Trossachs national parks found? England, Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland? They are in Scotland. Question number 23. Which organization was founded in 1895 and now has over 61,000 volunteers helping to preserve important buildings, the countryside and the coastline? The National Flower Show, the National Garden Scheme, the National Trust, or the National Alliance? So the correct answer is National Trust. 24. Is this statement true or false? Some of the best known poets are buried or commemorated in Poets' Corner in Westminster Abbey. Is this true or false? This statement is true. Question 25. William Shakespeare wrote many sonnets. How long is a sonnet? Is it 12 lines, 14 lines, 16 lines, or 18 lines? So sonnet is a 14 lines long poem. Question 26. What is the popular food of England? Roast chicken, jacket potato, fish and chips, or chicken and chips? So the famous food in England is fish and chips. Question number 27. The film The 39 Steps was directed by Sir Alfred Hitchcock, Cameron MacDonald, Sir David Lean, or Ken Russell? Correct answer is Sir Alfred Hitchcock. Question 28. What does BBC stand for? British Boarding Company, British Business Corporation, British Broadcasting Corporation, or British Brexit Campaign? So BBC stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. Question 29. Is this statement true or false? Pool and darts are traditional club games. True or false? This statement is false because pool and darts are traditional pub games, not club games. Question 30. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was best known for his stories about Scrooge, Sherlock Holmes, Harry Potter, James Bond. So he was famous for his Sherlock Holmes stories. Question 31. Who wrote the following lines? She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless clime and starry skies. Robert Browning, William Wordsworth, Lord Byron, or William Blake? So Lord Byron is the correct answer. These lines being taken from his poem She Walks in Beauty. Question 32. Which of the following was a famous British comedy? Brief Encounter, The Killing Fields, Open All Hours, The Lady Killers. So the correct answer is The Lady Killers. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.